we're giving the 4Runner an interior makeover. I got right here our custom seat covers from Covers for Car. This would make my 16-year-old 4Runner look and feel brand new. Let's open it and install it, shall we? Hardwares that are included comes in two colors, black and white. You can just select which one you prefer. I prefer the black. This is a buckle, and the other one is a hook. I'll show you how to install this in the seat. Put the buckle inside the loop, and then fish this one in. There you go. So it goes in between the seat, so you can tug that. The hook, there's a gap there, just open it up. It's a little tough. There it is. Alright, so I have already installed the driver's side. Kind of like it. Now let's install that one. I'll show you what I did, and to install the back as well. Alright, passenger side and driver's side. So this set is 3 items. Headrest, the back, which looks like this, the one that has the flap in the bottom, and then the seat. We'll start with the back. Of course, let's take the headrest out. Let's make it easier for the both of us. Next, this is just a sleeve put straight down. There is a zipper on this side, just need to unzip it. So, looks like the driver's side and the passenger side is interchangeable. But me personally, what I did is I put the zipper, because only one side has the zipper, one side towards the inside, so you don't see it from the outer part. Making sure it's snug. In the bottom right here, we got 2 loops. That's where we're gonna need 2 of our, forgot the name, it's a circle one, buckle. There you go, I forgot. We need to put the buckle in these 2 loops right here. 1, and then push it in, and then we need to fix that zipper right there now. There we go. So it's still a little loose, but it's still wrinkly, as you can see. So I've installed that yesterday, but it's still wrinkly, so it still needs to stretch. Still needs to stretch. That's from the packaging. Not stretch, it still needs to settle. More wrinkles over there, but it's gonna be nice. So we still need to align this, so I need to still push it that way till this goes in the middle, just like that. Oh, dug hair. I need to do the same thing on that side. All right, bottom one is going to be a little tricky. So this is the front, this is the back. So for this one, I'm going to put the hooks on this too, right? It goes this way. So the front, we need to tuck it in. Nope, dirty. So the front, we need to tuck it in all the seams right here. The back, it has this clip. So the thing on the driver's side is I did have a little struggle of pushing this clip in here. The other side is easy, and the inner side, the clip, because we don't need to tuck it in. We only need to tuck the seat covers from here all the way to this side. Let's do it. All right. Tucking this clip. See if I pull this a little bit. There is a metal piece right there. Right there. So you either want to put it on this side before that or after that. But on the driver's side, I put it after, because looking at the layout of this, so it's better to be pulled that way on the inside than all the way in the front of that metal clip. All right, I got it in. There's the clip. I don't really want to release it, but it's right there. We need to get the clips that we run through the back of the seat and connect it. It's right here. Need to connect it on the one on that side. It is right here, and I need to connect it. All right. Clip those. Clip inside. I know, doesn't look good. So you need to tuck it in better. This side, outer side, I already clipped it right there. Just need to clean it up. All right, for the front right here, after I tuck this front, I'm gonna reach underneath to grab that loop. Now I need to put our hooks. So I just need to find something that I can hook this with, so the cover will be stretched properly. Next is the headrest. Very simple. This is the front where the dimples are, of course. Back is flat. Put it inside. Headrest. And Velcro. Still need to take its shape, because if you can see right here, the one we just installed right now is still bulging. The driver's side, it's already contoured. A couple of days, it's gonna take shape of the car seat. All right, for the back seat, we're gonna start the actual back cover. 2 items, so how we would know if it's left or right. Driver's side, curved on the outside. The inside is straight, as you can see right there. The top, put it on the headrest right here. Then we hook it, loop it on top of the headrest, then anchor it. There's a clip right there. Just gonna slide that in. And the bottom, we need 2 buckles. Let's do it. Curved side, straight side, hook. You go around, and then again clip this. There we go. Then buckle on the button. Bottom piece, driver side, passenger side, driver side. edge, straight goes in the middle. Passenger side, curved one goes to the outside. Back straps, buckle, and the front for the bottom right here, two things. It looks like this. They said there's an actual buckle as well, so you just need to insert it somewhere that can make the cover snug. Let's get it. Now this buckle, let's find a spot where we can tuck it in. Oh, I can tuck this in right here. I'll go underneath. Then let's snug it. So the snap fit buckles, I put it underneath. Let me show you, but it's definitely a struggle for me. The one is right here in the corner. So I apologize for all the dog hair, but I switch my hands. So this is it. So I put it right there. There's a big bracket right here. I just snugged it. This is the passenger side. So this is what they call a snap fit. So this is flexible. So it's flexible, as you can see. So you just push this in till this flexes in, and then it snaps back out to make it snug. That's why it's snug fit. Here's the middle one right here. Let me try to zoom in. So there's another bracket right there. I just snug it right there. It is snug. Let's do the other side. For the middle seat, don't forget to untuck the seat belt. Last three pieces, then one goes to the seat. So it's right here. There's two Velcro strips on one on each side, so it's gonna stick on the bottom side. This one we got so the bottom we have the snap fit as well, so we know it goes that way. Right here we need to put the buckle. Thick piece. There's gonna be a hook in the back. Pull this down, hook it up. So the length, I'm just letting it sit from the bottom. You'll probably tuck it in a little bit. And these are Velcros on each side. You can pull this up, the one that we installed earlier. I'm just gonna stick on the Velcro. Again on the other side as well. Tuck it in on the headrest. Last piece is a loop around the headrest on it. Then just do it like that and hook it on that loop. Then that's it. We are done. So far, I'm really liking the seat covers. So I have it for about 2 weeks now, and I like how it looks. The material is really nice. It really converted my SR5 to an SR5 Premium. With its Nappa leather material, Cleaning is way easier compared to my old seat covers, which is cloth. It is definitely snug. It looks sleek. My previous seat cover, it slides, it shifts whenever you move. This has better seat coverage. It's made specifically for my 4Runner. So it contours to the curve of the seat. So right now it is still a little bit wrinkled on some areas, but some areas has been ironed, especially in the driver's seat, because I've been sitting on it for 2 weeks now. But the back and the passenger seat, it still needs to contour to that seat. The only thing I don't like about this is when it comes to the second row. The second row, if you look at the cover of the headrest, it's not really a full cover of the headrest. It's just the flap that goes around it. And also the back seat. So the back seat is just like a one-sided cover. It's only protecting the front of the seat, not really the back of the seat. Fortunately, I do have a cover on the back of that seat from canvas back, so I'm not worried about it at all. But overall, I like it. Compared to my old one, this is way better. If this video is giving you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.